Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. And this case is made by Temdan. They make great cases, great protective cases. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Temdan for Google Pixel 7 Pro case. 2-pack screen protector comes with this. Also a protector for the camera area. All right, and it guarantees against drop protection, full body protection, because you're going to have those screen protectors and the camera protected as well. No waterproof, nothing like that. All right, but this is what it looks like right here on the device. They make good cases and they offer good protection. Okay, $11.89 on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box the case comes in. Foam case, Temdan case right here. Not much else on the box. Shockproof case. Let's pull this out. All right, so what you get here is you get some screen protectors. I'm not going to put that on because I don't use screen protectors. So you get 2 screen protectors right here. And you're going to get the case inside here. And you got some items to help put the screen protectors on. This is that little things to press down. And these are for the camera area. Okay, so that's what these are for the camera area. I'm not going to use any of that because I don't need that stuff. Okay, but this is the case itself. Okay, so again, you get that let's get this out of the way right here. So you get that nice quality case from Temdan with a nice grip on the back. Got a little textured area right there. You can see that. Got these pads, this padded area right here, and you got nice grip on the sides right there. Power button and your volume down rockers open. You got your opening for your charging port and your speakers. Nothing else on the side, pretty clean. You got your mic hole right there, and you got this opening for this piece up top. I'm not sure what that is, but I'll check it out. You got a little pattern inside right here as well. This case is fairly stiff, a little CPU size, a little soft. The camera area is going to be protected, no problem, but these are good cases. All right, now let's go ahead and get the device, put it inside and see how it fits. Okay, we got the Google Pixel 7 Pro right here. Let's put it inside the case and see what's up. All right, so you're going to get good protection with this case. It makes it a little bit thicker, but not too bulky. And it's tapered pretty well, all right? But you're going to get great protection with this case right here. The lips will come up a little bit and on the sides as well, so that's going to be protected. The screen is protected and the camera is protected as well. You can see that right there, easily protected. And you get good grip, all right? No problem, not too bulky. Now the bottom, everything lines up right there. Power button works, no problem there. And you get your mic hole up top all lined up, and you got this air opening right here, all right? So if anybody knows what that opening is for, that you got the Pixel already. I just got mine today, so don't really know what it is, but I'll check that out. All right, when I do the review of the device. But nice case, as you can see, not too bad. All right. Now it's kind of got that two-tone look as well. You know, when it comes to this grainy area and then the smooth area right there. Okay, so not too bad. Now let's check out wireless charge and see how that works on this case. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. Let's put it on. So it picks up wireless charge, no problem. Let's check out how it does standing up. So it picks up wireless charge there as well. Let's lay it down, see what happens. So it picks up wireless charge. Charges in all positions, so the case works well with wireless charge. Okay, so that's a quick look at the Temdan rugged protective case. Comes with 2 screen protectors and camera protection as well, all right? So you're gonna get that 360-degree protection when you use all those items. Now, I think it's a good case. I recommend it if you want something that's protection. If you drop your case, it's going to be good for you, okay? Now, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.